Ahnay. Ahnay. This is what I call him. This is my cat, by the way. It's Enigma Hood here. And this is my cat. We call him Ahnay. Ahnay means poor thing in Sinhalese. So, let's get a close-up of him. Ahnay. Okay, I waited a little while, and I'm gonna wake him up again. Ahnay. Hey. Ahnay. Maybe I should wake him up again later. See, if you look carefully, you can see his eyes open. It's gonna be hard to surprise him. Wait a minute. Nah, closed now. But he's kind of alert. Sometimes he keeps his eye open. Very slightly. But I'll try to catch him again. Nah, it's no good. At this point, he's like an impenetrable fortress. I can't surprise him again. See? Ahnay. Nah. Ahnay. 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 So, I was curious, Big Ahnay. Do you believe in God? Do you believe in God, Ahnay? Do you give a fuck? Do you give a shit about Jesus Christ? Hey, Big Ahnay. Do you think Jesus Christ is the son of an omnipotent God? Do you think that's scientifically plausible? What do you think the chances of that? What do you think the chances of that are? Ahnay. I don't think he gives a fuck. So if he doesn't give a fuck, why does anyone else give a fuck? I don't know. I mean, it's just like kind of a big round ball. See, he learns. He learns. He knows I'm going to surprise him, so he's not going to care. He's not that stupid. You're not that stupid, are you, Ahnay? You're not stupid enough to believe in imaginary fairy tales for adults, right? No! No! Ahnay. He's a big shaft, though. Like just a big round ball. A big round atheist ball. He just doesn't believe in God, that's it. Atheist ball of puff.